Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the lesson squares and square roots, and now coming to the last two sums of worksheet 5, the word problems. Now coming to the question number 6. Devika has a square piece of cloth of area 9 meters square, and she wants to make 16 square shaped scarves of equal size out of it. What should possibly the length of the side of the scarf that can be made out of this piece? So she has got a square piece of one big piece of a square piece of a cloth, and now she wants to make it 16 squares, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So hope you understood. So from the bigger square piece, she has to make 16 square shaped scarves, and a total area of this is 9 meters square. Now she wants to find out the side of the small square. Okay. So for that, what we have to do is area. First we will write the area of the square shaped square piece of cloth. How much it is written? 9 meter square. Okay. The number of square shaped scarves. How much she wants? 16. Now area of, so बड़े एक स्क्वायर में से छोटे 16 स्क्वायर्स मिले, तो छोटे स्क्वायर्स के एरिया क्या आएगा? एरिया ऑफ 1 स्क्वायर शेप्ड स्कार्फ. एक स्क्वायर का एरिया कितना आएगा? बड़े का 9 और कितने पीसेस है? 16. सो 9 upon 16 meter square. So total area is 9. 16 pieces are there. So we have to divide 9 by 16. Now find out the side of square shaped scarf. एरिया मिला है तो साइड इज इक्वल टू स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एरिया. फॉर्मूला मालूम है ना? साइड ऑफ द स्क्वायर इज द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एरिया. दैट मीन्स स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 9 by 16. That is a square root of 9 upon square root of 16. That is 3 by 4. 9 का square root 3, 16 का 4. So 3 by 4 means what? 4 zeros are, take extra 0. It is 30. 4 sevens are 28. 29, 30, 2. That means 5s are what? Meter. Unit is meter. So answer, the side of the square scarf is 0.75 meter. Hope you understood. The big square is area 9 meter square. From that we have cut 16 small squares. So the area of one small square will be 9 by 16 meters square, and side of that is equal to square root of area. Find out the square root of 9 by 16. Now coming to the last sum, that is question number 7. It is a estimation method. Area of the square plot is 800 meters square and find the estimated length of the side of the plot. So estimated length matlab estimation method. So first you will write area of a square plot is equal to 800 meters square. So estimated length of a side of the plot is equal to square root of area, it is square root of 800. So estimated means estimation method. So 800 comes between which two square numbers? It is 784 and 841. Means 800 comes between 784 is of 28 square and 841 is of 29 square. अभी हम किए है ना, the recently we have done the estimation method, so it is in between 28.5. So find out 28.5 square. It will be how much? 812.25. 812 means it is to the right side. 800 comes between 784 and 812.25. That means 800 is between 28 square and 28.5 square. 812 800 बहुत ज़्यादा है, तो try with 28.3. So 28.3 if you multiply, you will get 800.89. 800.89. Again, it is to the right side. So 800 comes between 784 and 800.89. That means 800 is between 28 square and 28.3 square. समझ में आ गया? Now try with the 28.2. So 28.2 when you multiply, it will be 795.24. 795.24. So it is to the left. So 800 comes between 795.24 and 800.89. That means 28.2 square and 28.3 square. But this is 800.89, but here 795.24, which is nearer? 800.89. So the approximate square root of 800 is equal to approximately 28.3. So answer, estimated length of the estimated length of the side of the square plot is approximately 28.3 meters. Here don't forget to write the units. Okay, the answer is important. Is it okay? We have completed worksheet 5 and the full lesson. Hope you have understood all the methods. First is the repeated subtraction method, then it is the prime factorization method, then the long division method and the estimation method. Is it okay? Okay then, bye. Thank you.